BeachBack. BeachBack, the world's first backpack sun combo. BeachBack is a beach lounger that turns into a 35 liters backpack in just 30 seconds. BeachBack is a beach lounger with an integrated mattress, adjustable headrest, and a sun canopy that transforms into a roomy 35 liters backpack. Just 30 seconds to go from a beach lounger to a backpack with a lot of cool features. A real portable all-in-one solution for outdoor lovers, couples, and families to relax. We all faced it. Enjoying outdoor life could be stressful. Wild, beautiful free beaches don't usually offer facilities, and your nearby city parks don't have places to lay down comfortably. So you'll find yourself carrying many bags, and a lot of things like sun umbrellas, chairs, towels and more. We present the first convertible solution designed to make you fully appreciate the contact with nature during your excursions to the sea, lake, park, or countryside. BeachBack can hold everything you need for a day trip. At the right time, it can be transformed into a practical sun in just 30 seconds. So, you can relax without compromise and without depending on expensive tourist facilities. Imagine all the things you need for a day at the beach: chair, umbrella, towel, and a bag. At least one, filled with everything you need, like sunscreen, books, tablet, computer, toys, and maybe even a cooler with fresh water, snacks, etc. Carrying all this stuff with you could be impractical and uncomfortable, but it's all incredibly simple with BeachBack. WhiteShark Tini. With WhiteShark Tini's modular design, you can easily attach two scooters together to double the power and double the fun. WhiteShark Tini 2-in-1 mode can slow down to 16 ms to enjoy the view, or as fast as 2 ms to experience the thrill, making it the fastest dual-motor scooter on the market. WhiteShark Tini can easily be disassembled without using any tools. Its versatile and modular design allows it to be customized to fit your needs. Left-handed or right-handed, easily interchange the control handles to fit your preference. Got young ones in the family? WhiteShark Tini is created for all divers and ages in mind. We have specially created an inflatable kickboard attachment for younger swimmers so that WhiteShark Tini can be enjoyed by water enthusiasts of all ages. The inflatable kickboard features a built-in wireless controller that is easy to use. Just press and go. Tini's attachable floater allows your underwater scooter to stay afloat, so you never have to worry about losing it. Attach the floater for positive buoyancy to snorkel and fly through the water, or detach to dive down to 20 m to explore the beautiful marine life underwater. WhiteShark Tini is compatible with both action cameras and smartphones. Easily document all of your epic underwater moments with the attachable mount for action cameras and smartphones. Direct amazing videos starring the beautiful marine life underwater, or simply create amazing home videos of your friends and family at the pool. H2O Ninja Mask. The full-face snorkel mask market is all the rage in snorkeling these days. Since Tribord first put their full face on the market a few years back, the patents have run out. The manufacturers have started producing, and anyone with a few bucks is rebranding those knockoffs as the best full-face snorkel mask. The problem is that with our experience, it's difficult to put one over on us. That also means that we truly appreciate a quality item that isn't just the same run-of-the-mill product that everyone else is trying to sell. First things first, this is a company that is based in Hawaii, specifically Oahu. They've snorkeled Hawaiian island waters, and they know what works and what doesn't in the waters and around the Pacific and Caribbean reefs. It just comes with experience and knowledge that is bred into and then handed down from generation to generation. Take a look at their website, and you'll see that the images and photos are all local Oahu spots. Lizzie and I got our H2O masks in the mail, and the first thing that you notice is the professional packaging and branding. The delivery looks sharp, and that makes us a great first impression. Not only that, though, there's a sticker in each box that I'm sure has a purpose, but I put smack dab on my laptop. Now, whenever I'm working at a Starbucks or a library, then people know I'm the real deal, a snorkeler. Lol. ZUP RISE Board. Space is premium on the boat, can be folded up and stowed away. Soft Ava foam padding for comfortable ride-a-foam, textured for sure grip footing feet, can go anywhere on the surface. Soft rubber hook for hands-free starts. Riding toe small fins for added tracking, includes Rise Up specific pump. Everyone knows that space is a premium on the boat. Rise Up boards give riders all the fun that the other ZUP boards offer. Plus, can be folded up and stowed away so you don't lose an inch of space on the boat. It also makes a great beach board that is super easy to ride in the surf. There are two models to choose from: the Rise Up Inflatable Surf and the Rise Up Inflatable Boogie Board. This board can still cut, slide and do 360s just like its hard shell cousins. After doing all that, It can then be deflated and packed away. Great for introducing riders to wake surfing since it gets pushed along by the wave. An easy and super fun ride. Boost Surfing Fin, a totally new way of paddling. Enjoy longer sessions and catch 3 times more waves with this awesome electric fin from Boost Surfing. It fits most boards, plus fin joint adapters are available as accessories. The 800-watt Boost Surfing Fin provides a turbocharged motor thrust and speeds up to 17 km/h, letting surfers of all experience levels make the most out of every swell and surf session by helping them paddle faster and longer. Feel the freedom of exploration with the SUP Assistance mode that lasts up to 100 minutes. Forget about the weather and enjoy your session in any conditions with the wind current resistance mode for up to 40 minutes. When you just want to relax, drop the paddle and use trolling mode for up to 70 minutes to enjoy a restful ride. A hug variety of fin adapters lets you fit the Boost Fin to any paddle board or surfboard. Install the propeller cover first to avoid injury to yourself and others. Make sure to charge your Boost Fin fully right after you receive it. Charge the battery till it is full at least once a month, even if you don't use the fin. Seabike. Want to swim across the lake without getting exhausted, or arrange a competition with friends at sea? With Seabike, anyone can do it in a new way. The original mechanism, developed by best engineers, is designed to make water recreation with friends or family even more fun and memorable. After all, nothing brings people together like experiencing new activities and vivid emotions. Seabike is a portable water bike that is attached to the belt, included with the transport bag. Pedaling it helps you travel across long distances in freshwater and saltwater alike. All models are made of durable, reliable materials. What people say? I think that Seabike is a revolution in scuba diving and potentially, as time will show, a new type of sports. Interestingly, I have only positive impressions about the Seabike. Every swim is a victory over oneself. Spry. The Spry is designed from the ground up to achieve a new compact shape, which is streamlined for reduced drag and turbulence. An array of aluminum heatsinks keeps your hot new drone cool by dissipating heat to the outside of the sealed frame. For rubber bumpers absorb vibrations when the Spry lands on the ground. Swellpro's exclusively designed hatch ventilates the airframe while preventing water entry. The lid's design also prevents water on the skin of the drone from entering the fuselage when the lid is opened. An external waterproof switch allows you to power on or off the Spry without opening the hatch lid. Relax and enjoy total freedom while filming, as your Spry remote controller can be used in the rain, sea spray and even dunked shortly in the water. The joysticks, built-in live monitor and all buttons are protected against spray and still work smoothly and precisely. Being small doesn't mean you have to compromise image quality. The Spry's onboard camera utilizes a Sony 1/2.3 CMOS sensor paired with a lens that minimizes fisheye distortion for natural-looking images. With the Spry AirThrone, when we set out to create the AirThrone, we knew that we could only design a product without compromise, something that had never been done, something that would change the game in comfort, quality and innovation. Patented air cooling technology, perforated, diamond-stitched leather, billet machined, matte black hardware. The only throne of its kind is now here. AirThrone's uniquely layered material combination provides the perfect balance of luxury and support. Every detail in the seat was rigorously tested and designed with quality and longevity in mind. Inspired by modern-day supercars, we finished the top in genuine cowhide leather complete with diamond stitching and laser-cut perforations. This throne had to be a statement, and we believe that comfort and style is ultimately the foundation that produces excellence in the way you play. Without a doubt, the most significant and monumental feature to this throne is the air cooling technology. At its core is quite simply a fan. Housed subtly within the seat, it was designed to evenly disperse airflow at a low volume, all while keeping you comfortably cool. With the turn of a knob, you can easily adjust the fan speed to your desired level, even while playing. Whether the job takes you to an outdoor festival, studio, or church service, you can now rest assured that your seat will never overheat again.